guys, welcome to our channel, FoneLab. Do you need to compress a video on your iPhone to save space or send it quickly? It's easier than you might think. Let's walk through the process step by step. Let's start with the freeway. iPhone has no built-in video compressor. However, if you are fine with compromising the video quality, you can get your iPhone to record smaller videos by default. Just launch the Settings app, then navigate to the camera option. Tap the Record Video, then choose an option that balances both the quality and size of your videos. This will reduce the output video size of every video shot by your iPhone. Now, if you don't want to reduce the video quality of your iPhone camera, use these reliable third-party tools. First, we have Video Compress. It is a free app on the App Store that allows you to compress your videos to make them smaller without affecting the quality. You don't need to configure any complex options for compression. Another option is the Compress Videos and Resize Video app. This application reduces the size of your iPhone videos to a great extent, letting you share your videos anywhere from your iPhone where there are size limitations. The above applications are reliable and useful. However, if you are looking for a professional tool, use FoneLab Video Converter Ultimate. It is a powerful tool to help you convert video and audio file formats and many editing features, including a compressor. You can see that it is more than a simple converter or compressor. On the interface, click on the Toolkit tab to see video editing tools. Find and locate the video compressor among the editing options. Once entered, click the plus icon to add the video you want to compress. Then, the tool will present the data from the video. You can adjust the size, format, and resolution. You can check the result by clicking the preview button. Once satisfied, click the compress button and wait for the process to be finished. There are various situations where you have to compress a video on an iPhone, like saving storage space or sending an email with a limited attachment file size. It is a good thing that several tools can help you, and the most convenient among them is FoneLab Video Converter Ultimate. For more helpful videos, visit our channel FoneLab. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.